Welcome to Sinky's Kitchen, Ayurvedic home remedy for cough and cold. In Ayurveda, Tulsi is known as mother medicine of nature and the queen of herbs. Tulsi leaves help improve the individual ability to fight against common cold as well as cough. How to take Tulsi leaves? Chew 4-5 Tulsi leaves. The first thing in the morning, you can continue taking Tulsi leaves to boost your immunity. Tulsi Kada. Take a few leaves, wash it well, boiling water in the pan, add the Tulsi leaves. To it, add 1 teaspoon grated ginger, 5-6 peppercorn, boil it mixer and at least 10 minutes. And finally, black salt and squeeze lemon. Let it stand for 1 minute. Strain and drink it warm. Thank you for watching. Share your friends and family.